Greetings to you all. This is how we vote for our favorite pepite. We want to vote for Deze RaWasu. So we click on the Google Docs link here. Then it will redirect us to the Google Docs web page. Then we scroll down to vote for our favorite pepite. So remember, this is a one vote per email thing. So in my device I have got many email addresses logged in. So let's say for instance you have voted using this email address here, then we want to switch. Then now I want to switch using the Deze RaWasu email address, so I click on switch. Then I select Deze RaWasu email. Right, as you can see here, the Deze RaWasu email is now functional. So it says who is your favorite pepite, then it reminds us that it's one vote per email. So I'll keep on scrolling. This is the first pepite, the second one, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. There is our favorite pepite. Then we click on our favorite pepite, which is Zimbabwe, mbira music, represented by Deze RaWasu. Then we keep on scrolling. Then it says who invited you to vote. So maybe in this instance it's the artist or the artist label. So then we click on the artist. Then it says if you wish to comment, then it says a comment, right? If you wish, tell us why it's your favorite pepite. So for instance, we'll say their performance was good or is good. Whatever is good. It's just a simple comment. Then it asks us your country. Then you clearly state where you are. Maybe you're in South Africa, you are in Zimbabwe. You write where you are. Then it also asks us our email address. Then we will write our email address here. Deze RaWasu @gmail. There it is, at gmail.com. Then it says thank you for your support. Tell your friends to vote. Whatever you receive results of the votes on the 15th of December 2023. Then you click on submit. You're done with the voting process. So once you click on the submit button, this is what it will show you to signify that you have completed the vote. So it says vote for your favorite pepite. Thank you for your vote. Stay tuned. So basically you would have completed the voting process. Thank you.